Hey there, little stars. Welcome back to Wejini Kids, where every day is a new adventure in fun, music, and imagination. Today, we're splashing into a rainy day rhyme with our bouncy buddy, Freddy the Frog. So grab your boots, get ready to giggle, and let's jump into the puddles together. Let the rhyme begin.
Freddy the Frog wears a leafy green hat. He jumps in the puddles, splat, splat, splat. Raindrops fall with a tip-tap tune. Freddy sings loud to the silver moon. Ribbit, ribbit, splash and spin. Let the rainy fun begin. He twirls on a lily, slides down a log. No one's as happy as Freddy the Frog. He leaps through the garden, hops down the lane, croaking a chorus in the pouring rain. The worms all wiggle, the snails all cheer. Freddy's rain song is what we love to hear. He taps on a mushroom, drums on a leaf, dancing with joy beyond belief. His puddle parade is a soggy delight. He splashes from morning till deep into night. The ducks join in with a quack quack beat, while Freddy kicks up his froggy feet. The clouds clap thunder, the wind hums low, but Freddy just sings, let the raindrops flow. He finds a big puddle round and wide, and cannonballs in with a belly slide. The ripples giggle, the flowers sway. Freddy's rain party is here to stay.
That was a splash-tastic adventure with Freddy the Frog. Thanks for singing and splashing along with us today. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll never miss a magical moment on Wejini Kids. Until next time, keep giggling, keep dancing, and keep dreaming. Goodbye.